Barbecue wings. It's about a dozen wings. 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon fresh ground black pepper, 1 teaspoon onion powder, 1 teaspoon salt, a quarter teaspoon spicy paprika, and 1 food grade bag. Pat dry very well the wings, place in the bag and add all the seasoning. Mix very well, push the air off the bag, untie it, and let it sit for about half an hour. Place the marinated chicken on a sheet of parchment paper and spray with oil. Rub the oil all over the chicken on both sides. Arrange on a baking sheet and bake in a 400-degree oven on the top shelf of the oven for 20 minutes. Then flip and bake for another 20 minutes. Meanwhile, pour about 3/4 cups of barbecue sauce in a stainless steel bowl. You can use any type of barbecue sauce. I like Sweet Baby Ray's. And place it by the oven on the stove just so that you can heat it up to room temperature. So after 20 minutes, flip them over and bake again for another 20 to 25 minutes. When they are nicely browned, toss them into the barbecue sauce. If you like yours extra crispy, bake them for another 10 minutes. Otherwise, 40 minutes is enough to make them nice and brown like this. And toss them in the sauce to coat all over very nicely and gently, because they are right now literally falling off the bone. Barbecue wings are ready. Enjoy. Like and subscribe, because there is more coming.